Hey guys, Irene here. Before I start this behind the scenes, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a backstory for this photo shoot. The day before I shot this, the nature looked absolutely beautiful. The trees were really frosted and it looked like a winter wonderland. I was kicking myself that I'm not shooting outside, and then my husband said, hey, why don't you just shoot tomorrow? The frost still might be there and we can go to the farm where there's not as much pollution, so there's more chances of frost still being there the next day. We can also go in the morning so that it's still cold. And I was like, you know what, yeah, let's try to do it at least. Surprisingly, I was actually able to find a model that was free and fit my vision, and she also is really good at her own makeup, so I didn't have to look for someone to do makeup and hair. We got to the farm at 10 a.m. in the morning. Unfortunately, there was almost no frost left, but there was still some snow on the tree branches, so it still kind of worked with what I had in mind. For her clothing, I decided to go a little bit more ethnic and folklore. I remembered about this Ukrainian scarf that my dad brought for me from Ukraine. I thought it would be so perfect. I also just got some handmade mittens from my husband's grandma, which fit the colors of the scarf so perfectly. Then I went ahead and I found a white blouse, a corset, and a really big skirt. The skirt was a pink color, but I knew that I'm just going to change the color to green in Photoshop so that it still fit with kind of my vision and what I was going for. And this is a great tip for all of you guys. If you do have a piece of clothing that fits with your theme but the color doesn't really fit, if you're good with Photoshop and you know how to change colors in post, then I would suggest still go for it, because you can always just change the color. There are a lot of animals at the farm, so I also knew that I want to shoot with some of the animals. It is a little bit challenging, but it is something that I thought would fit with the whole ethnic farm girl Ukrainian theme. Okay, so I'm gonna start talking and let you guys enjoy the behind the scene. I kind of want to get you more in between those branches. Or maybe if you stand kind of right over here, like right in between the branches. Yeah, I think that's a good spot. We'll just start shooting. Okay. Oh, that looks cute. Actually, can you go in front of that? Yeah, over there. Yeah. Yes, yeah. The sun is getting, oh, that's beautiful. Okay, I think I got it. I think I got it. Yeah, that's beautiful. What if you put this just a little bit off of your shoulders so I can see like a little bit of that white underneath? Yeah, just kind of like,
yeah,
like
sorry,
this.
my hands in there in mitts.
I know.
I'm like a crab.
Just kind of like, yeah, like this. That's beautiful. Let's do a close-up, yeah. Oh, yes. There is that pole in the background. I don't know if
We can move like over.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to actually, or maybe put you right behind it. You tell me when you're cold, okay?
I'm actually okay.
All right.
I have mittens and I have feet.
You have feet, yes.
And those are the things that get cold first, so.
You know what? What if we go over there where the pole is not there? Yeah, like over here. Yeah. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh. Yeah, I see. I like this better. That pole was ruining my shots. So I'm shooting kind of like up to here. So mostly just, yeah, like you can kind of, you know, hold your mittens together or like play around with the scarf and stuff. I'm just doing portraits here right now. Yeah, exactly. What if you go even more in between, like in there? Yeah, stop. Oh, not too far. Yeah, right there.
Because I can tell these pieces are doing something.
That looks real nice. Also, stay there. I'm gonna put some snow in your hair, just a little bit. Okay, so. Oh my God, this spot looks so beautiful. That's gorgeous, Lesha. Yeah. Oh my God, this looks crazy. I love it. Can you actually go a little bit closer to me? Yeah.
And no one will know that.
Yeah, stay right there. Yeah, it looks very magical. Actually, so come a little bit closer to me and just a little bit more this. Actually, no, back. I want to see where the light is hitting your hair more. Yeah, oh,
No, back. Yeah, and then closer to me. Stop, and a little bit this way. Yeah, that's it. I mean, the light is, yeah. Ooh, yeah, that looks really nice. I almost feel like I need to give you some kind of prop, like a basket or something.
Yeah.
Get her a snow shovel.
A snow shovel. And can you put these like close to you? Yeah, I'm gonna take a nice portrait. Okay, just a few more and we'll give you some time to warm up. And I might need my lens hood actually from the inside. Can you go even more on with your back towards me? Yeah. Yeah. There is one spot that I kind of wanted to try. I saw it from here. If you would stand like right over here, and then I get all of these. Yeah. For like a nice portrait. Yes, 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 yeah. See, I knew it. When I saw this spot, I knew this is gonna look nice. I just was worried about the car, but I'm not getting the car in the shot. And it looks really pretty, yeah. There's even like some snow falling, kind of from the tree. You know what? What if we put this over your head for these ones?
Okay.
Just quickly.
Yeah. Like a good Ukrainian grandma.
That's gorgeous. I love it. Even more into that spot. Yeah, just kind of, yeah. Okay, this looks beautiful except for this one. Ow.
Cut it off.
Am I tippy?
No, because it's too big. We gotta kind of like...
We could like tuck it in. I really thought
Oh,
this one crafty.
listen.
Telling you, it's insane.
Brett, get away from my shot. Hold those mittens closer to you. Yeah. Hold this, pull this a little bit low. Yeah, hold it like that. Oh my God. You know when I like the shot when like I'm just going off on the shutter.
Imagine what we could do.
Tomorrow. Are you ready tomorrow? Are you ready tomorrow? This is the spot where she loves. Yes. Are you ready? Are you ready? So we're gonna try to do this. You're standing this way and you are gonna be in the same spot. You're gonna turn towards her kind of and like try to, pat her or something, and then maybe, I mean, if you try to sit down, she's gonna like go a little bit too crazy.
Yeah.
So I don't know, we can try, but
Can I just like bend down like this?
yeah, I think it's better. Sasha! It's better if you try something like that. Okay, come here. Sasha, sit. Oh, you know what? See, even that is cute.
Sasha, sit.
So these pictures with Sasha, the mountain Bernese dog, didn't really work out. Sasha is a very excited dog and she couldn't calm down. But hey, at least we tried.
Like, what if you're just kind of standing, kind of like this?
Yeah. Looking back.
Oh, get a little bit closer to this one. Yeah. Hold maybe the other hand with the other hand. Yeah, and look down like this in your profile. Yeah. Yes. We'll do some. Oh yeah, I love that, holding it like this. Man, those look really, really nice. Okay, so we're gonna give, do you want to feed her?
Yeah.
You can give her one more. You need more. This is my camera. You want to be a model? I can make you a star, baby. Let's take off your jacket.
Yeah.
And Lesha, you know what? Lead her. Just lead her this way. Yeah, a little bit more, a little bit more. And stop, 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 stop. That's perfect. Oh, that's beautiful right there. You're looking between two of them. Don't hide your face too much. Yeah. That's beautiful. What if you hug her, like drop this down the rope?
Like which
Yes, with that hand. No, the other one. And then with that hand that you have, I want you to like hold her face. You know what I mean? Yeah, yeah, yes, exactly. Exactly. That's beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, Bella, you're such a good girl. Okay, and I'll get closer, yeah? Get a little bit closer to me, Lesha, yeah? Yeah, yeah, and then turn her face towards you a little bit more. You know what I mean? Yes, yes, exactly. And turn towards me, too, yeah. Get closer to her. Yes, yes. That's perfect. That's perfect. Oh. Yes, that's beautiful. Oh, that's so pretty. Stay like that. I love that. They're over there. Yeah, if you come here, Lesha. Just stand. Yeah, right over there.
For reference, here I'm trying to take a wider shot of Lesha with the llamas in the background. So I was trying to find a really nice spot where I could get everything together in the shot.
Yeah, stop right there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, look, they're in the background. Oh, here they are. Oh, they're in the background. Okay, it's perfect. Stay where you are, do not to move. Oh my god, it's working. Okay. Go just a little bit further. Yeah, stop there. Yeah, that's really cute. Oh, I love that. Okay, stay where you are. This looks real. Oh, you see, if Sasha was there right beside you, it would look cute too. Okay, Jessie, come here. Come here, come here. Come here, Jessie. Come here. Sit right here by Lesha. Sit right here. Sit down. Sit.
Sasha, you're in the way.
Sit.
Oh, now
Okay.
Sasha wants.
Okay. You stay there. Please, 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 please. Get closer. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, that's beautiful, Lesha. Sasha, away! And look at me, Lesha. Oh, look at Jessie, she's so happy. Okay, that's good, we got it. Oh my god, the ones with Jessie were so cute because we have llamas in the background and like a dog there. It was adorable. We just finished our photo shoot. Woo! And I think it turned out so adorable. We got llamas, we got horses, we got dogs.
Cats.
Lesha looks like a true Ukrainian farmer girl. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Lesha on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.